Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel where I'll be making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we're going to keep it nice and simple for you guys. Today I'm going to be making you guys an amazing ham sandwich from using ham from Thanksgiving. Alright, I'm going to show you what you're going to need. This is my ham, of course. Right here I have some white American cheese right here. I have some onions. I have tomatoes. And I have pickles and lettuce. These lettuce is like a butter leaf lettuce. And I have Miracle Whip. And I have 4 slices of bread that's been toasted on one side. See the other side? That's how I toast mine. Just like so. Alright, and you're going to be needing some mustard. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this. We'll do it just like this. I'm going to use this side since I got some debris on there from the toast. So we come in here with our nail. We'll slap that on there, just like so. Put much as you want on yours. If you don't want Miracle Whip, you can also use just regular mayonnaise. Or if you don't want mayonnaise period, then just use mustard. If you don't want that, put whatever condiment you want on yours. Okay? We just switch this out like so. And this ham, if you've seen my video on Thanksgiving Day, holiday cheers, it was a pineapple honey ham. I have different seasoning in it, so let me just start that one. Give me a napkin or a paper towel, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so take my mustard. Make sure you guys shake that mustard up, because if you don't, you'll get water. And we don't want our sandwich wet, do we? Not too wet anyways. Alright, so what I like to do is I take my cheese. I guess I'm going to be taking my ham or whatever. I'm going to take the cheese first. I'll put the cheese at the bottom. And it probably helps if I can move this plate so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, let's scoop this up. Like so. Alright. Alright, put the cheese on the bottom. Just like that. I also like to put my pickles and onions and stuff at the bottom. So I'm going to put my onions on here first. And I go in here with my pickles. Like that. Just like that. The pickles. Put that on there. Alright, now over here we're going to go with our lettuce. Just like that, and the tomatoes. Just like that. Go over here with my ham. My son gonna get this one. Now you can also fry this up if you want to, but I'm not going to. Take this little piece off. And guys, this tastes amazing. I do it every year. I'm not going to lie to you, I do it every year. I normally make like turkey sandwiches and all this stuff from my leftovers. And there you have it, right there. I cut this up for you guys right here. Some people can go this way. Show you two different ways. Didn't quite get that one. Put that top back on there. Okay. And you can cut this one this way. However you want to do it. Just like that. Get that ham over there. Oh, that's it right there, guys. Now, I would like to eat it, but then I'll be messing up my thumbnail. So I like to plate mine. Okay, guys, here it is on the plate. I like to put mine on there like that. And don't forget to go check out Bliss in the Kitchen. Okay, it's my home girl, and she got a lot of exciting little things going on her channel that I think you guys will definitely like. Okay, she a young little lady, and she need a lot of support. So you guys go over there and check her out. Show her some love. I got another one, Mo's Kitchen. She's another young lady that does her thing in the kitchen. She know how to cook, and she do a lot of things that I'm going to be trying to put out here for you guys. Okay, so go over there and check her out and show her some love. Tell her VELDOGG sent you over there. Okay, so saying that to say this, I thank you guys for tuning in every time I upload another recipe, and it's much love go out from me to you. Okay, and that's for real, because I couldn't make this possible without you guys. So saying that to say this, tune in next time and tell all your friends and family to come and holler at your boy VELDOGG in his kitchen, where I'll be making affordable restaurant quality foods or better. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please hit that bell for me. Hit that bell for me. I'm just playing with you. Anyway, so I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Much love. Go out to all of y'all in a minute.